Hi, so this is just a short recap of all of the really cool cards I got out of my pulls. So start from the top, I guess. So I got the Shaman, Skyform, I got, I can't pronounce it, but it's the new gen. I really cannot pronounce this, but it's really, really cool. And my hands are very shaky. A Latios, a Raikou, another Latios, which is the exact same Latios. Hoopia, Cursola, Manaphy, Shining Arceus. Oh my Arceus. Trevorant. I'm bad with pronunciation. Galarian Weezing. Mandibuzz. Polysand. Pikachu with Ash. Oh my gosh. The one trainer card of Guzma and Hala teaming up. It's rare. I'll stack something over. Okay. Staraptor. Oranguru. Toxicroak. Solgaleo. And then the tag team Lucario and Melmetal. Oh my gosh. And this is I have no words. Oh my Arceus, as I say, because I don't want cursing in my video. So, oh my Arceus, this is not cursing. I mean, you're cursing the Pokemon God, but like, not taking offensively, Arceus. Golurk. Galilee, I cannot pronounce. Shiftry. Articuno GX. Oh my goodness gracious. Look. Oh, a baby. And Cobalion. So out of all of those packs, which is like 22 packs, I got all of those rare cards. Like some of them I got like 2 rare ones out of. I think there's like one pack I didn't get any rare ones out of, but that was just amazing, and I need to save my money to be able to buy more Pokemon cards, but also to pay my way through college and my job at a fast food restaurant. That's got me tired. It's like I'm at work and I'm like falling asleep, and the headset dings, and I'm like, "Hello, welcome to insert the name of the fast food restaurant I work at. Can I take your order?" Like it's a hassle balancing work and school and Pokemon and all that fun stuff. But I mean, I'm trying to make it work. There's a fly in my face. That's a fun way to be. But I mean, this has been really fun, and I hope you have enjoyed my series. And if you did, you can like, you can subscribe, and you can follow my TikTok. It's Minnow, spelled Minnow, and then 4 Z's. Not four and then Z. It's MINNOWZZZZ. That's my TikTok. I don't have any Pokemon content on there yet, but I'm probably gonna put some on there. I have some other content, like just mostly animal videos. So if you love animals, especially cats and hamsters, my TikTok. But thank you so much for watching my videos, and I hope everything's going well for you. And yeah, bye.